Welcome to Southeast Technical College. The business programs at Southeast Tech will help you develop skills in effective decision-making, problem-solving, organizing, planning, communication, and technology, with the help of instructors who bring real-world experience and practices into the classroom. Our flexible scheduling options are tailored to fit your busy lifestyle. Most programs can be completed on campus, entirely online, or through a combination of online and on-campus courses. Many classes have 8 and 16-week options. You can earn an associate degree in accounting, business administration with an agriculture emphasis, entrepreneurship, human resource management, or marketing, as well as one-year diplomas in bookkeeping or risk and investment management.
A degree in business administration will give you a broad base of education to start your business career. Our program focuses on key business areas such as accounting, marketing, management, technology, and communication. Our program is also designed with 4 technical electives which will allow you to pick classes to tailor your education based on your personal interests and career goals.
Students with a background in agriculture sometimes choose to add an agriculture emphasis to their business administration degree to prepare for ag-related business careers. If numbers are your thing, Southeast Tech's bookkeeping diploma stacks into the accounting associate degree, preparing you for a rewarding career in finance. For those looking for a more personable career, human resource management may be for you.
Our Human Resource Management Associate degree teaches students key HR concepts with courses like talent acquisition and training, compensation and benefits, and compliance and employment law.
We like to think of marketing as the essence of business. Our program expands beyond sales and advertising to use marketing concepts to solve business problems. Our hands-on learning approach allows students to conduct actual market research, write discussion guides, and actually sell products or services, learning about all 8 steps of the selling process along the way.
Developed hand-in-hand with industry, STC's Risk and Investment Management Diploma prepares students for in-demand careers as insurance office assistants, account managers, personal line agents, claim adjusters, or risk analysts. And should you choose to continue your education, the diploma meets the requirements for the first year of most of STC's business degrees.
For those that plan to pursue self-employment, Southeast Technical College's Entrepreneurship program teaches the ins and outs of running your own business. Not only does it serve as a nice complement to business administration program, but also pairs well with other Southeast Technical College programs in such areas as early childhood specialists, media design, and automotive technology.
Southeast Tech business graduates are doing great things. They work in HR, marketing, customer service, and sales roles at large and small companies in industries like banking, ag services, healthcare, manufacturing, and government. Some have opened their own gyms or boutiques. The possibilities are endless. Interested in learning more? Contact our admissions office today to learn more about Southeast Tech and what it takes to become a student.